In this video, we're looking at ECAA 2020, Section 1, Question 28. So, we have an arithmetic progression, and the sum of the first 20 terms is 50, and the sum of the next 20 terms after that is minus 50. And we're asked to work out what is the sum of the first 100 terms. So, let's think, what is our equation that finds the sum of an arithmetic progression? Well, it's this one here. Sn equals n over 2, and then 2a plus n minus 1 times d, all in brackets, with n as our number of terms, a is our first term, and d is the difference between each term. So how can we use this to find some information? Well, we can set up some simultaneous equations. So we know that the sum of the first 20 terms is 50, and we can use our equation to show this. So the s of 20 is going to be 20 over 2 times 2a plus 19d, and that's going to equal 50. We can rearrange this a bit. We can times this brackets out. We can get 20a plus 190d equals 50. Now we're going to set up our other equation for our simultaneous equation pair. Well, we know that the sum of the next 20 terms equals minus 50. So we can work out the sum of the first 40 terms. That's just going to be these two added together. So the sum of the first 40 terms is 40 over 2 times 2a plus 39d, and that equals 0. 50 times 50 plus minus 50. And then we can expand this out, and we get 40a plus 780d equals 0. So now we have our two equations we can use to set up a simultaneous equation. So how can we do that? Well, we need to get one term the same as another term. So let's times this top equation by 2. We're going to get 40a plus 380d equals 100. And we have the second one there, we've not changed it. 40a plus 780d is 0. So now we can take away this bottom one from this top one. And we're going to get minus 400d equals 100, or d equals negative a quarter. And now we can substitute this in to one of our equations to get what a is. So, for example, we've got 20a plus 190 times 1 minus 1 over 4. That equals 50. 20a equals 95 over 2. And we can simplify that around. 20a equals 195 over 2, and then divide it by 20 to get a equals 39 over 8. So now we have our two variables, d and a. How can we find the sum of the first 100 terms? Well, all we need to do is use our equation here and set n as 100. So the sum of the first 100 terms is 100 over 2, brackets, 2 times 39 over 8, plus 99 times minus a quarter. Or, simplify that down, we're dividing by 2 here. 50 times 39 over 4, take away 99 over 4, or 50 times minus 60 over 4. We can simplify this down again to get 50 times minus 15, or the final answer of minus 750. So our answer overall is answer A.